Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host James. Today we're going to explore a sensational platform for e-commerce that is SellerPic. FYI, the domain is sellerpic.ai. If you are a designer who works in an e-commerce platform, or if you are a businessman who running your little business on Amazon or TikTok or Taobao, any platforms, you must find yourself in a situation that you need product detail page, right? You need a lot of photos. So this AI can turn ordinary product photos into extraordinary sales drivers. Again, no matter if you're doing business with TikTok or Amazon, Shopify, Instagram, no matter which platform, you will find SellerPic will help you a lot. So now you can transfer a single image into multiple sales boosting assets. You don't need to rent a place for professional photographers or even hire very expensive photographers. Now you only need to provide ordinary photos. You can turn that into professional photos by this AI. And you don't need to purchase anything, any items to have the nice sets because now AI is here. And also you can make banners by yourself. Not to mention, you can turn that static image into a product videos. That will help you to build a better user experience, and your customers will love that. So why are we use SellerPic? So first is time saving and money saving, of course, and second is increase the sales. And third part is this AI is built for e-commerce. This is really professional AI. And last part is very easy to use. Let me show you how. So you can click here to log in or sign up. If you are a first-time user, you can sign up by Google account. See, that's very easy, right? So let's try one by another. So first functionality I want to recommend is this chat box. So in this chat box, you can do whatever you want with your single image. No matter if it's just ordinary image that you created by your cell phone or a single image of your product. I don't have any product, so I download one. This is a very expensive bag. So imagine I'm a seller of this bag on Amazon and I want to put different angles of this bag to my product page, right? Then what we do? So first we upload the image and we have a drop down. So first we can select one of the images we already uploaded. And second is we can upload from our device. And then we can even upload from Shopify. So I'm choose device. Okay, here we are. And let's type our prompt. Show the side view of this bag. So I am the careless shopper that only take photos of the front. So in case the buyers want to check the different angles, so can we do that with AI? Let's try. So click here. And what we have here, wow, check it out. We have a perfect image of the side view of this bag. Oh my God. Can we download it? Man, if you click the download button, we have 4K image. What? Oh my God, I'm very impressed. So now we have a perfect image of the side view. So what if this is not what I'm looking for? Can we modify it or can we tweak on it? Sure, we have this edit button. So when we click here, so we can buzzer to replace the background. So let's say if I want to add another background, so I just need to generate again. Wow, so when we click this toggle button, let's compare. So we can check the difference between before and after. I'm very satisfied with the results. And how can we download it? So first, it's not only one result, but 4 different results. So you can check different one here, and you can find the perfect one. I think this one's really nice because we have the halo around. And also, I like the reflection. Wow, it's amazing, right? So click this toggle button, we can compare the before and after. And if you're satisfied with it, then how can we download it? You can download it from here. And you can choose different format from JPEG or PNG or even WebP. And I highly recommend this format. And when we click here, and your results here. And not mentioned, it's not only functionality, but one of many. And also we can use instruct edit. So when you click here, you can type whatever you want as a prompt, and AI will help you to change. For example, if you want like a different angle, you can tell the AI, or if you want like a different background, also fine. So you can just use it as a chat GPT. So we already introduced a background replacer and also background remover, right? And here is image to video. I'm just upload the front shot of our bag and write a very simple prompt, rotate, and we can choose different mode from stable style or creative style. I'm choose stable, and we can choose duration from 5 seconds to 10 seconds. Let's test 5 seconds and click generate. Okay, we have our result here. Let's check. What can I say, man? I'm speechless. So now we don't need to take photos and videos. And I recommend MP4 formats. Wow, the size is amazing. Wow, man, I'm speechless. And because we are selling bags, right? So we also can use this virtual try-on. This is a featured functionality. And now let's click upload. And now let's click device and upload our bag. Okay, on the categories, we have bags. So click here. We have all kinds of the bag. I think our bag belongs to this one and also this one. I like this girl. So let's choose this one, this girl as a model. And even we have the custom image. So you can upload image with your model in it and you can use it to generate image. Wow, it's amazing. I think this is really a game changer for all the designers in e-commerce business, right? And let's click here and click generate. Wow, we have 2 results. I think this is amazing, right? And let's try another model. And I think this is even better, right? I think the size is correct. I think something is missing in the picture because we lack of the belt, right? So without the belt, how did this lady carrying this bag? And can we do that to fix it? Yes, we have an image retouch tool. And beneath here, we have 3 buttons. First is brush, and we have a lasso and also eraser. So let's use brush. And here we can change the size of the brush. And let's doodle. I just draw 2 lines and let's type the prompt. And let's click the generate. And now we have our results. Guys, we successfully add a black bag bow here. And this is super nice, right? I tweaked the prompt, FYI, to black bag bow, link the bag. So we can download from here. And I don't like the background. So can we replace the background with something nicer? And we can even type a custom background. For example, I want this lady inside of the shopping mall. And then click the generate. See, we have a very realistic image here. And if you found the size is not very perfect, you can click here to extend the image as well. Let's see if I want a banner. So maybe let's change the aspect ratio and click the generate. And here we are, we can download the image now and make a banner accordingly. Isn't that very nice? I think SellerPic is such a game changer for everyone who involved with the e-commerce business. I hope you find it helpful. Okay, we have our winner. I think this is the most suitable image that I ever created, right? And we have 2 different options. I like this one. To be honest, I like this one. Let's download it, okay? All right, we finished the test. Usually takes us like 5 days, but now with AI, we just take like 5 minutes, right? So I'm already show you how to generate different views of your project and also how to adjust it by using the AI editor. And also we can use image to generate a video and also virtual try-on. Not only like this, but also if you're selling clothes, selling dresses for ladies, you can use this virtual try-on, but only for clothing. Okay, so if you have everything ready, you can click here to publisher. So if you have a shop and you need to go to the dashboard of the shop like Amazon or like the Shopify, and very complicated software to use and really hard to upload. But now you have this and you are all set. So click the link channel. And you can choose link to TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. So once you link to your account, then you are very easy to manage all the content that you want to publish and publish with one single click. That's very easy. And also we have assets. So we have my creations. So here we'll list all the images you generate with SellerPic. And also in inspiration page, you can find there's a lot of reference image here. So if you lack of the inspiration, you can click here to find more for your product. This is an epic platform to help all the e-commerce designers and also shoppers to easily generate amazing photos for their products. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave in the comment zone, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.